Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these hot oil noodles, a classic Shannxi staple. Commonly known as Biang Biang Mian or Po Mian, the noodles literally translate to oil splash noodles, which gives us a nice little hint on how we'll be making these noodles today. Alrighty guys, let's get started. And yes, you guys guessed it. We're going to start by chopping up some spring onion, and then we're going to grab 4 cloves of garlic and mincing this up finely. Once your garlic's done, we're also going to grab our bok choy, wash and prepare it for blanching later. Onto the noodles, we're going to grab a saucepan and bring the water to a boil. Today I'm going to be using these Shannxi style wide hand pulled noodles. They're wide, thick and deliciously chewy. What I'm doing here is I'm just loosening up the noodles and popping them in individually so that they don't stick together once they're cooking. So cook your noodles for roughly 8 to 9 minutes or per the packet instructions. In the last minute, I'm also going to add in my bok choy just to give it that quick blanch so that we can serve it together nice and hot. Okay, looks like we're ready to start plating up. We're going to go in and grab our bok choy and place that on the side of our large bowl, and then grab all the noodles out as well. Alrighty, our dish is starting to take shape now. We've got our hand-pulled noodles cooked and our bok choy blanched. Now onto the spices and aromats. We're going to be adding half a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of black vinegar, 2 dried bird's eye chilies that we're going to roughly chop up. We're then going to add half a teaspoon of ground Sichuan pepper and half a teaspoon of chili powder. We're also going to add that minced garlic that we prepared earlier. Now in a new dry pot, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it up till it reaches its smoking point. And now onto my favourite part. The smell is amazing. As soon as the hot oil touches all the spices and aromats, you've got this beautiful aroma that just fills your whole kitchen. Okay, time to get in there. Whew, check out those noodles. Now this is what I call a sexy bowl of noodles. Okay guys, that's enough playing around. Let's eat. And there you guys have it, a spicy bowl of Biang Biang Mian. For all the spicy food lovers out there, this one's for you. We've got the heat of the bird's eye chili, tongue-numbing sensation from the Sichuan peppers, and the punch of the raw garlic. Balance of the black vinegar and bok choy, it really is something else. You can thank me later. As always, thanks for watching guys. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and remember to subscribe. See you in the next one.